Hi, and welcome to the Red Bank Public Library's Maker Day program. We have activities from science, math, technology, and lots of different subject areas. But today, I'd like to introduce you to a fun story you can tell no matter what your age. It is called I Wish It Was My Birthday. And it's told just with a regular piece of paper, some imagination, some drawings, or some clip art. So you can take a look here and see that whoever's birthday it is celebrating underneath the birthday cake. So it's Cow's third birthday. He really wants to have an ice cream cake because we know that ice cream comes from cows. So he'd be sure that it's super delicious. Well, Horace was a little bit jealous of the birthday party. So he said, I wish it was my party. Then all of a sudden, underneath the birthday cake was Horse. Well, Horse was really glad they were playing pin tail on the donkey, his cousin, and not pin the tail on him. But his other friend, Pig, didn't want to miss out on the action either. He said, I wish it was my birthday. We could have mud pies, mud cakes. And then all of a sudden, it was Pig's birthday. There's one more friend that wanted to get in and have a birthday party too. He says, I don't want anybody to have a bad time at my party. But I wish it was my birthday. And all of a sudden, it was Sheep's birthday too. And all the friends had so much fun at all the parties that they celebrated every single year. That is the story. I wish it was my birthday. Now, there's a couple of things I can tell you. A lot of people say, wow, that must be magic how it works. There's no magic in it. It's just math and science and some simple paper folding. So this little house where you see the doors is actually made of one piece of paper. I'll actually open it up and show you. On regular standard size piece of printer paper, computer paper. Nothing unusual about it. Let me show you how to go ahead and make one. You would take your paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Open it up and fold the middle like this. So the edges of both sides go toward the middle, making sharp creases. Fold the entire thing in half one more time to make a long rectangle like this. This next part gets a little tricky, so there will be instructions, copies in your take-home bags, instructions on our social media accounts of how to fold the paper exactly right. I'm going to take this corner and fold it to make a triangle. Take the other edge and fold it over to meet this little edge right here. Pull it down, definitely use your thumb as it's getting thick. Then you fold this edge up to meet the top to make another triangle. Make it like a pentagon fold. The trick now is to open it up and stick your thumb on the inside of the paper like this. Then to press down to make it look like a roof and sides of a house. Like this so far. This other edge you take and you fold over to be even the one side of the wall of the house. Fold it back down to be parallel. Crease, open up, stick your thumb in again, fold down. So now you have two similar houses on each side. You look at the front, there is the roof, 1, 2, 3 spots for characters. And then you have to lift this up. You can see a fourth spot right down here for the fourth character. Now, your story doesn't have to be about birthdays. It could be about sports. It could be about your favorite superhero. It could be absolutely anything. So I'm going to fold. The last step is to fold these in like doors to crease really well. So as you're telling the story, action can happen quickly and simply. So that's how you fold your paper. There's a front and there's a back. Let me fold this one again so I can show you where to draw the designs. Okay, so we have a spot. Let me bring it back up to my face so you can see this. I have 3 spots. I said usually I draw the characters on, but I thought for recording the video, it would appear a little bit better if we use printer pictures for clip art, and the pictures would appear a little more distinct. So I have 4 animals, and I did the birthday cake one because the original story was based on Alicia Was My. Like I said, you can change it up to be any theme. If you want this to be a softball and say these are who's going to be on the team, that's perfectly fine too. So you have 1, 2, 3 characters. In the middle one, you lift up, and you have a spot for the 4th character. What you have to do is draw your object in the center of the roof. Then you can turn your paper over and the flaps away to reveal another center of the roof on the backside and draw that exact same pictures. Cake, cake, just like that. That's super important. They look exactly the same. And then when you tell your stories, all you have to know is that whoever is under the object is who's featured as the main character during that part of the story. And whoever you want to be next is the first flap you fold in. I want sheep to be the next one. I fold him in first, fold the other side, say, I wish, I wish, I wish. And the part that you saw me do off camera, all I did was flip the paper around to the other side, open it up, and now there's sheep. It works every single time, no matter how often you do it. I hope you have fun with this little interactive story. Make it your own. Send us some videos of you telling great stories to your friends and family. Have a great time and enjoy Maker Day.